Hi, thanks for joining. This is an ad hoc stop today. We found these abandoned buildings. We're going to take a quick look and see if there's anything of interest. Let's go and explore. I wonder what happened here. There's a whole bunch of junk outside. Doorknobs, if anybody needs some doorknobs. And an old bathtub. A little pit or well there. Somebody's put a ladder here. But all the windows are busted out. Let's see. Looks like these houses are condemned. Here's some old carpet. Exploring, looks like most of the place has been gutted. Some old lino down there. It's in remarkably good shape. Somebody, LED light. Same thing over here, more lino. I don't think that's where the toilet was originally. Oh, look at these tiles. Interesting little tiles. And the glass has been all broken out. There's glass on the floor. Bit of chaos. Surprisingly, I don't see a ton of vandalism. We've got a little bit of graffiti there. Not much else behind the house. This must be pretty recent, 2008 AMA motocross. I wonder if it was condemned because of the asbestos. Looks like we got a lot of rat droppings and things here. Lots of rat droppings. Okay, we're going to go back downstairs, take a quick look there. I like this old... I like the old wood paneling. Got some bigger animal droppings in there. Let's see. Pretty quiet, pretty eerie. I guess at the back of the house on the slope here, this would have been up against the ground, so it's a little quite cool. I mean, temperature cool. And this is looking out towards the freeway. One time, somebody would have been looking out this way, enjoying the front yard view. Now, not so much. All right, let's go try the other house. A second near identical house over here. A bunch of foundations and stuff. There's some char. I wonder if there was a fire or something at one point. Got an old bathtub. What's funny is the satellite dish is still there. Everything else is pretty much gone, but satellite dish is still there. Even the toilet's ripped out. Let's take a peek in this one. Well, that's interesting. You can see there's actually a rock. There's actually a rock that was right in the middle of the basement. That's a giant rock. Just testing my footing. Startled me. It was just the breeze. I'm gonna hope that that red over there is just paint. Paint on the walls. And again, looking out the front of the house, that's been graffitied and then broken. Ooh, the side paneling is in pretty rough shape here. Stairs seem in okay shape. We'll just turn our heads. Let's look upstairs for just a second. That could have been a balcony or something. It's completely shattered. In the upstairs, more wood paneling. Maybe would have been a kitchen or something over there. Probably a bathroom at one point, and quite a livable little front room. Can see right up into the attic space. No insulation or anything. I wonder what... Don't see any personal belongings. Looks like everybody's moved out. I wonder what caused these houses to be abandoned. For now, they just sit here unused along the side of the freeway. I did a little bit of digging and found out that this was the former location of the KANAKA Inn and KANAKA Cafe. This is one of the filming locations for the 2001 film The Pledge, which featured Jack Nicholson and was directed by Sean Penn. It also had other well-known actors including Benicio del Toro, Helen Mirren, Robin Wright, and Mickey Rourke.
Body of a young girl has just been found.
She was a second grader. I guess that put her about 7.5, 8.
Who did this?
We intend to find out.
Do you promise me that you will?
Yes, Mrs. Larson, I promise. I made a promise. I intend to keep it.
By October 2018, the location was standing empty, although you could still see signs of the filming that was done here, including this sign for Ray's, which was the name of the bar featured in the film. Earlier in 2020, the inn and cafe were leveled, leaving only the two buildings which we just explored. This land has been acquired by KANAKA Land and Holdings Limited, who's working on a complete teardown and rebuild so that once again this can be an enjoyable stop along Highway 1. That's it for today. Just a quick urban exploration looking at the remains of some abandoned buildings in the middle of nowhere. Hope you enjoyed exploring with us. Hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all our latest adventures. Check out our interactive map to see cool abandoned places that we've already been to. And until next time, it's time to exit. I don't think there's a gift shop here.